Namaste everyone. Welcome to Daily Yoga Workout by Yogway. Today we are going to practice a few rounds of Sun Salutation. Sun Salutation is very crucial in yoga because it is a foundational practice for physical health and mental clarity. It gives a harmonizing sequence, offering a full body workout that builds strength, flexibility, and stamina while boosting circulation, improving energy and digestion also. So, let's start with centralizing the breath. Sit tall, spine straight, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on the knees, eyes closed. Face soften. 3 deep inhale and even slower exhale. Bring both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Let's chant one Om to begin the class. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. Let's set an intention for today's workout. Promise yourself to be on the mat and with your breath during the session. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you. Let's begin with the warm up. Both the hands on the sides. Inhale. Exhale 10 times. When hands are up, look up towards the hands and lengthen your spine. On exhale, when hands are down, touch your chin to the chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now on 10th, interlock the fingers inside out. Hold here. Exhale and release. We usually hold for 10 seconds and never hold your breath while holding the posture. Always breathe. So, coming to the bending, place your left forearm on the left side. Right arm and elbow will be straight. Bend to your left side. Stretch entire right side of the body and ensure that opposite hip and knee should be on the mat. Exhale to center, inhale to other side. Let's move 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and on 10 let's hold. Okay, come to your left side. Upper elbow will be straight and gaze will be front or up towards the ceiling. Exhale to center and hold other side. You can close the eyes. Exhale to center. Next will be twisting. So holding your right knee with the left hand on the back and twist back. Exhale to center. Inhale to other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's hold this time. Twist right side back. Twist as far as you can. Option to close the eyes. Check your posture with eyes closed. Spine should be straight, chest should be out. And do belly breathing here. 3 breaths. Exhale to center. When I say do belly breathing, check that your breath should be go deep up to your belly. So holding other side. Three breath. Exhale to center. Coming to cat cow. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale to cat. Keep moving with your breath. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 10. Coming to down dog. Stay in down dog. 3 breath. Close your eyes and stay in the posture. Raise the heels up and let's do paddling. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now keep moving towards the hands with baby steps. Hold in ragdoll, holding the elbows, and just hang your upper body. Stay here. Release the arms and roll the upper body to the standing posture. Come up. Very nice. Now we will move for 3 rounds of fun salutation, but we will add some core strengthening while holding in plank. Okay, so be with me. Let's proceed. Come at the front of the mat. There is an optimum gap between the feet just to maintain the balance. Feet are parallel to each other. Inhale, exhale, Pranam Mudra. Inhale, both hands up. Once they are aligned with the ears, start opening your chest and go back. Exhale. Now, upper body is straight. Arms are aligned with the ear. Keep looking forward and go down. Padhastasana. Hands to the sides. Right leg back. Look front. Ashav Sanchalan. Horse riding pose. Tuck the back toe. Knee up. Hips up. Left leg back. Holding in plank. Ashtanga Namaskara, knees, chest and chin on the mat. Point the toes, drop the belly, transition to Cobra. Bhujangasana. Elbows should be near the body and shoulders should be away from the ears. Tuck the toes and Parvatasana. Right leg forward between the palms. Ashav Sanchalan. Left leg forward. Padhastasana. Ensure that your all the fingers should be in one line. Both hands up. Once arms are aligned to the ears, go back. Hastothan. Again going back to Padhastasana, hand to foot pose. Left leg back. Ashav Sanchalan. Look front. Tuck the back toe. Knee up. Hips up. Creating space under the chest. Release your front knee and take the foot back. Plank pose. Hold 10 seconds. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. 8-limbed pose. Point the toes, drop the belly, Cobra. Tuck the toes and meet me in Parvatasana. Left foot forward between the palms. Ashav Sanchalan. Keep looking forward. Now right foot forward. Padhastasana. Both hands up. Inhale to Hastottanasana. Exhale, go back to Padhastasana. Right foot back, Ashwapanchalan. We are in second round of Sun Salutation. Plank pose. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale to Cobra. Parvatasana. Inhale to Ashwapanchalan. Exhale to Padhastasana. Inhale to Hastottanasana. Exhale to Padhastasana. Second round, left leg. Ashwapanchalan, horse riding pose. Moving to plank pose. Hold in plank 10 seconds. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale to Parvatasana. Inhale to Ashwapanchalan, left leg forward. Exhale to Padhastasana. Inhale to Hastottanasana. Exhale to Padhastasana. Last round, right leg back. Ashwapanchalan. Plank pose, hold in plank 10 seconds. Knees, chest, chin. Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. Cobra pose. Parvatasana. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. Both hands up and back. Again go back to Padhastasana. Last third round, left leg. Moving to Ashwapanchalan, horse riding pose. Right leg back, plank pose. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Point the toes, drop the belly. Cobra pose. Tuck the toes, meet me in Parvatasana. Left leg forward, Ashwanachalan. Right leg forward, Padhastasana. Hast Uttanasana. Pranam Mudra. And release to Samasthiti. Let's move forward for restorative poses. Now from here, come to lying posture. Let's move for some restorative poses. Bend your knees. Take the hips up to Setu Bandhasana. Hips up, middle back up, chest out. Chin is touching the chest. Hold here 10 seconds. Exhale and release very slowly. Both the fingers interlocked under the head. Drop your both the knees to the left. Look towards your right. Close your eyes and stay here. Inhale to center, exhale to other side. Knees to the right, gaze to the left. Come to the center. Figure 4 stretch. Right ankle on left knee and holding the left shin. Release. Left ankle on right knee. Left hand threading between the legs. Right is outside the right leg. Holding other side. Both feet up, holding outer arc. Happy baby pose. Swing side to side. Anand Balasana. Release. Straighten your legs to Shavasana. Relax here for next 2 minutes. Bring the awareness back to your breath. Inhale, exhale. Move your toes, move your fingers. Turn your head to the right, then to the left. Bring your both the feet together. Interlock your fingers above head and stretch your body in Supta Tadasana. Give yourself a nice stretch. Bend your knees. Taking palms under the head, turn to any preferable side. Now come to seated posture while taking support of the mat. If possible, keep your eyes closed. Don't lose the connect. Adjust yourself. Sit here in silent meditation for next 1 minute. Bring your both the hands in Gyan Mudra and tilt your head little upward, bringing the focus between the eyebrows at third eye center. Let's chant one Om to end the session. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. Be thankful to yourself for showing up on mat today. For fulfillment of intentions set at the beginning of the workout, very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you very slowly. Namaste everyone. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.